Oh, he did. He launched everything, like, you know, he put Moon on the map as well as everything else, you know. Probably speaking from my heart a bit now, but definitely. I know you've good horses now in the present day and everything like that, but back in the day, like, he was top of the tree, yeah.
It won't just be an Irish welcome, there'll be English voices mixed in with this. This is a hugely popular horse in the hands of wonderful people, the Harringtons much loved. Look at Eamon Lee's face as he brings in his horse to him, Moscow Flyer and Barry Geraghty. And just listen to the noise, I'll let the crowd tell you the story. This is real Cheltenham history, it's what we come here for.
Ní leandáid faoi ach ba tús é seo le blianta únt an tréálaí agus an racha.
You know, to have got him so early in my career, you know, I owe him an awful lot. He was a massive springboard.
They had a remarkable, actually, relationship because I think they grew up together. They had a sort of, probably a little bit of a love-hate relationship when things went wrong. You know, he gave Barry his first Cheltenham winner. All of those things count towards, you know, getting Barry up on his career.
He was constantly being kicked around that, you know, he wasn't reliable and whatnot. So I suppose there was always a lot of vindication when he won on those big days. So the number one wasn't for me, it was number one for Moscow. And maybe that just became my salute from there, but he was the number one for me.